Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Monisha. Today we are making Kothimbir Vadi. So let's get into this video. For that, here I have taken one big bunch of coriander leaves. First you need to clean the bunch. So one by one I am cleaning by removing the leaves, and I am going to discard the big sticks. So the small sticks that you can see, it is completely fine, but you need to discard these big sticks. So this recipe is very simple, very easy and very flavorful and very delicious. So once our coriander bunch is cleaned, I am going to discard the sticks, or you can use it for your decomposed. And now we are back to our coriander leaves. First we'll wash these leaves. So these small sticks are completely fine. No need to worry about that. First we are going to wash this leaf. For that, here I have taken a colander and I am going to wash this twice to thrice and drain off all the water. Now here on the chopping board I have placed the washed leaves. Now first we are going to cut these leaves. So you need to cut this bunch twice to thrice. No need to finely chop it, just roughly cut it for twice to thrice, this whole bunch. Now here I have taken a small mixie jar. To this I am adding 5 green chillies, and to this I am adding 10 cloves of garlic. Now we'll coarsely grind this. Now it's perfectly grinded. Now we'll start making a Kothimbir Vadi. For that, here in a plate I have added the washed and chopped coriander leaves. To this I am adding 4 tablespoons of rice flour. This will give nice crispiness to our Kothimbir Vadi and will be very delicious. To this I am adding 100 grams of Gramflour. To this I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of white sesame seeds, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, and the green chilli garlic coarsely grinded mixture. I have added it here, and to this I have added some salt. Now we are going to knead this well. So the coriander leaves and gram flour contains moisture. So add very little water and knead this. So here I am adding barely 6 to 7 tablespoons of water. And I am kneading this into a nice sticky dough, soft sticky dough. So it's completely fine if your dough turns out little sticky. Don't keep on adding gram flour into this. If you'll keep on adding gram flour, then water, then gram flour, then the flavor and everything of Kothimbir will completely go. So don't add any more ingredients. Just less water, and you need to knead this into a dough. And this will be very delicious and very tasty. Once you make this, within minutes it will get over. So tasty and flavorful. Definitely try this recipe. So our dough is ready, and you can see it is sticky. So it's completely fine and normal. To this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. And now again we are going to knead this. And don't waste whatever is there on the plate. Just stick it to the dough. And our dough is ready. Now we are going to divide this dough into 2 equal portions and shape the dough as shown. Now our Kothimbir Vadi is ready to steam. We will steam this Kothimbir Vadi. For that, here I have taken a steamer plate. First we are going to grease this steamer plate with oil nicely. Apply oil nicely on this plate to avoid the Kothimbir Vadi from sticking on this plate. So once I have applied the oil, I am going to place the Kothimbir Vadi. Once I have placed both the vadis, we are going to steam this. For that, on a steamer I have kept very little water to boil. Once it comes to a boil, I am placing the steamer plate, and now we are going to cover with a lid, steamer lid, and we are going to cover and cook this, steam this for 15 minutes on low flame. It's been 15 minutes and our Kothimbir Vadi is perfectly steamed. I am going to switch off the flame and I am going to place this on room temperature. Let this cool down for 35 minutes. It's been 35 minutes and our Kothimbir Vadi is completely cooled down. As you can see, the color has changed and it has little hardened a bit. Now we'll cut this into pieces and you need to cut this as shown. Now Kothimbir, coriander leaves are in season, so you should definitely make this recipe, and it is a very tasty and delicious snack. You can say it is very delicious and very flavorful. And this is one of my favorite thing to have during when coriander is in season, coriander leaves. So similarly, I have cut all the Kothimbir Vadis and now this is ready to fry. So you can eat this as it is or you can fry this as I have shown here. But when you fry it, it is more delicious. So here on a fry pan, I have kept oil to heat and I am frying these on medium hot oil. And these vadis only take few seconds to fry. Within seconds it starts to turn crisp. Because we have added rice flour in this, it turns nice, crisp and very tasty. So once it starts to look crisp, I'll turn the sides and we will fry both the sides equally. So it should just become little brown in color, light brown, not too brown. And this recipe is very easy to make and very tasty. Definitely try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. So similarly, our Kothimbir Vadi is fried perfectly. I am removing this carefully and placing it on top of the tissue paper. And similarly, we are going to fry the rest of our Kothimbir Vadis. See how simple this recipe is and very easy to make and super delicious. So similarly, I am frying all the pieces and a delicious Kothimbir Vadi is ready. Definitely try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. And if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell button, and please share this video with all your friends and family. And remember friends, like, share and subscribe. Till then, see ya. Thank you for watching.